Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How you do? Alright? Alright guys, today on my channel, I'm going to be making a shepherd's pie. And I'm using ground beef, guys. And you know, traditionally, it is made with ground lamb, but I don't like lamb, so I'm using ground beef here, okay? So these are some of my ingredients that I'll be using. I have some milk there with Hivap. I have some whole milk with Hivap milk inside of it too. Not a lot, just like 3 tablespoons of Hivap milk inside of it. I like it with mine, you don't have to do that. I have a egg yolk, a onion here, my potato. I have garlic here. I have some mixed vegetables. Garlic here, my bouillon that I'm going to use in my water to boil my potato because I want mine to have flavor. So I normally, when I'm making potato or anything, I always like put a bouillon in it just to, you know, give it some added flavor because you know potato can be bland. Alright, I have some other ingredients that I'll add now. I'm gonna get going on my ground beef. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my bouillon in. So I'm just using this pan, guys. It's not a big one that I'm making. I'm going to try to do my potato and my ground beef simultaneously. You know, that's what I'm trying to do here. So I have both of them cooking at once. I'm just going to go ahead and peel. You can use your peeler. You don't have to use a knife, alright? See, I have a peeler. Sometimes I just like to just go with my whole traditional way of doing things. But so I'm done peeling them, guys. So I'm gonna just put them in some cold water, you know, so they just don't change color. Okay, and please, guys, so try to cut yours as even as you can, guys, so they cook at once. I'm just gonna put these in my water here, turning brown. So I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt. My potato, and my water is boiling, guys. My bouillon to give it a nice flavor. And I'm using 1 pound of ground beef, guys. Don't know if my skillet is on. I'm not going to put any oil in it because you know the beef produces its own oil, right? See that, guys? See how many oil is in this? I didn't put any. The beef naturally produces its own oil. I had a little cayenne in mine, a little black pepper, some powdered bouillon, need some Maggi all-purpose in mine, a little seasoning salt, and I'm also going to add my garlic and onion, and I'm going in with a little Worcestershire sauce. Some people call it a double sauce. I'm going in with a tablespoon of flour. I'm also going in with my broth. Have my thyme in, here it is, and I have a pinch of rosemary. I'm going to put my mixed vegetable in the last 2 minutes of cooking the mince. Please to use frozen vegetable, guys. Don't use the one in the tin. So this is finished, guys. So I add it back to my pan after I strain off the water, and I actually turn the stove on again too, very low, just to dry it out a little. I'm just going to go in my masher here. You can go ahead and use your mixer too if you have a lot doing this. As you see, this is not a lot, so I don't think I need a hand mixer for this. So I'm going now with my cream cheese. I'm using 2 tablespoons. Okay. Also going with my butter, and this is at room temperature. And I'm using 3 tablespoons of butter as well. Parmesan. And this also helps to give it a golden color. Add a little black pepper to it. Now would be a good time to taste it just to see what it wants. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. I'm going in my egg yolk. I'm going to now add my beef to my pan. Pretty that looking. And I'm going to beat this at 400 for 30 minutes. You put as much potato to how you like it. If you like yours with a thin layer, then you do a thin layer. If you like yours with a thick layer, then you do a thick layer, okay? And you can use a fork also. Kind of make a pattern if you like. Add my cheese. A little paprika, a little black pepper, 30 minutes, okay? There it is, guys. That's how I like it. My brown crust on. Just going to sprinkle a little. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. And I do appreciate all my new subscribers. I've seen a few new ones. Give me a thumbs up on my video. It will surely help my channel to grow. I do appreciate you all. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. There it is, guys. Looking all beautiful, ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed. There it is. All done.